Hi, this is Pavitra, founder of NPPD. Today's topic is time management skills. What are the different type of hacks that will be useful for time management? आप लोगों को पता है कि time is the most crucial asset which we have. हम लोग जैसा ही अपना टाइम को मैनेज करेंगे, in that manner we will be productive in our business, productive in our life, productive in our career, whatever. So I'll give you few hacks for time management which will be very much helpful in your life. Okay, the first one is to pre-plan. If you have heard of this, failing to plan is planning to fail. So if you are not able to pre-plan your day, it's obvious that आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कैसे टाइम चला जाएगा and it will be all gone. So what I do is before starting my day or on the day itself in the morning, I make a to-do list. ये हमेशा मेरे पास रहता है, either like this or on the back of my phone. तो what happens is, suppose I have 6 to 7 points noted down here, तो मुझे पता चलता है कि yeah, these are the major things which I have to complete in a day, and I keep tracking it on my daily basis. इससे क्या होता है कि you have a proper mindset you have a proper plan in your mind कि मुझे ये चीज़ करना है, and that is how you make your time productive. Second is you have to make a priority list. वैसे देखा जाए तो there are many tasks. There can be n number of tasks which you need to do on a daily basis, but you have to find out the priority for which task you have to do it first. Suppose it is concerned to your health, suppose it is concerned to something which is very urgent right now, that should be done first. Then there comes the second task. So you have to make a priority list. Suppose you have 10 tasks, and what are the most priority things which you have to complete in a day, that you should do. So maintain a priority list. उसके बाद आता है to have a to-do list handy. मतलब suppose you have the list properly set कि क्या क्या करना है, these are the topics you need to work. After that you should also have a certain plan in the mind how to complete that. If you do not have the plan, then create a plan. As I said, failing to plan is planning to fail. So you have to have that to-do list where the planning is properly done. It should be in your head or on the paper. Then comes the fourth point, which is avoid multitasking. Normally people not only people, I also had that habit of multitasking. For example, suppose I am reading a book, उसके साथ किसी के साथ चैट करना. सपोज आई एम वॉचिंग अ एजुकेशनल वीडियो और आई एम वॉचिंग अ कोर्स, उसके साथ कुछ चैट करना, कुछ सोशल मीडिया खोल देना, या फिर एनीथिंग. डूइंग मल्टीटास्किंग इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग विच पीपल डू राइट नाउ. बट लेट मी टेल यू, मल्टीटास्किंग से क्या होता है कि रिड्यूसेस द प्रोडक्टिविटी. आपको कोई भी टास्क अच्छे से नहीं होता है. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग 2 to 3 थिंग्स एट वंस, कोई भी टास्क पे आपका फोकस नहीं रहता है. तो वॉट यू नीड टू डू इज अवॉइड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. Focus on only one thing, and that will create a much more productivity in your tasks. Okay, and the fifth and the last point, which is a very crucial point I must say, is splitting down your work into small pieces. Suppose आपका एक बहुत बड़ा project है, it's obvious that एक दिन में you can do small part of the project. तो उससे क्या होता है कि you can, if you are splitting down the project into small parts, you can track it according to your time. You can split it into 10 parts, into 20 parts, and you can do it in a month. तो every daily basis पे आपको मिल जाता है content that what you need to complete, and accordingly you can evaluate yourself. You can also compare these things on a daily basis, and you can compare your productivity in that manner. तो if you are doing a very big task and you are targeting a very big task altogether, उससे क्या होता है कि it produces negativity because you cannot track it, and when you are not able to finish it on a daily basis, it creates a lot of irritation in yourself. So I will suggest that you keep your task handy and split it down into small parts. That will create a lot of more productivity and mental peace. So these are the 5 things I said to you about how to manage your time. You can say that these are some time hacks. Anything else you have in your mind which will help us to manage your time, please comment it below. Thank you.